Hello, I'm Akshay. So in this rain alarm project, I'm going to explain about a circuit diagram. So first in the circuit diagram, the point A and B are connected to the points of A and B, rain sensor respectively. So when the rain is falling, the rain water will fall on the rain sensor, which has a aluminium wire on mica or backlight sheet. Due to the water on the sensor, the aluminium wire W develops the resistance and get conducted because of battery connector and also the sensor and circuit. And when the aluminium wires are connected, the transistor Q1 will get turned on and make LED to glow. And also the Q2 will be turned on when Q2 is saturated. And the capacitor C1 will sort it and make the transistor Q3 to be turned on. And C1 will get changed by the transistor R4, the reset pin of 355 timer, which is connected to emitter of Q3, will make a positive when Q3 reaches to the saturation mode. And when the reset pin of 355 timer is made positive because of saturation mode and of Q3, it will generate the plus at pin 3 and make a speaker to ring alarm. And the capacitor is connected in between the pin 3 of 355 timer and speaker. Because to block the DC signal and allow only the variations in the signal which speaker to make sound, the diode D2 will not allow any reverse current from the timer. Because of the transistor R4 and capacitor C1 and Q3 will get cut off after some time and make a reset pin of 355 timer in negative and speaker will stop making sound. And the timer for 355 timer to make a speaker sound depends on the value of C1 and R4. And when there is no rain, the aluminium wire of sensor will not have any resistance of conduction, cannot trigger the circuit. So in this rain alarm, two things to be noted. The rain sensor should be kept at the open place at 30 to 40 degree from the ground, and as the result, the rain water will not present on the sensor for a long time. And the second point, the circuit will automatically switch off the alarm after some time, and LED will glow continuously until the rain stops. And the applications for the rain alarm. So in the irrigation, it will detect the rain and immediately alert the farmer. And in automobiles, when the rain detector detects the rain, it will immediately activate the wipers and inform the driver. And in a communication, it will boost the power of the antenna and increase the signal strength to send or receive the signals. And in normal household, with the help of the rainwater detector, we can automatically save the water. And this can be also be used if there is a chemical rain also. This is a very common in industrial area. So this is about a rain alarm. Thank you.